everybody, thank you so much for clicking on my video to watch. Welcome back to my How-To Tuesdays, where either every Tuesday or every other Tuesday I show you guys a little how-to video. Today I am barefaced because I'm going to do a little skincare how-to today, which I'm excited about. I haven't done one of those yet. I'm going to be showing you guys how to clean out your pores. Keep in mind, I'm not a professional. I'm just showing you guys what I do, what works for me. Before we hop on into the video, please don't forget to subscribe. Click that little bell beside the subscribe button. That way you guys get notified every time I upload a new video. Also be sure to like this video if you enjoy my How-To Tuesdays. And if you'd like to know all the steps I do to clean out my pores, then please just keep watching. So obviously a really quick and easy way to do it would be to just use a pore strip, which does work, but I just find that it doesn't completely clear out my pores. These steps I'm about to show you does that for me. This video is obviously going to be a little bit extra than just really quickly cleaning out your pores. I'm going to be showing you guys quite a few steps today. And the first one would be to remove all of the excess dirt and makeup that's just on the surface of your skin. So just taking a makeup wipe or makeup remover, whichever one you want to use, I'm just going to run it over the areas, and I mean it would be best to do it all over your face while you're doing it anyways, but I'm just going to run over the areas where I'm going to clean out my pores. I mean, I did shower today, so mine are probably pretty clean, but usually you can find something in there. Now that I've just cleaned off my skin, I'm going to move on to step 2, and that is just to open up your pores so that it's going to be way easier to clean them out. Just using a very warm or hot cloth, I'm going to press it up against my pores. Hot would be the best because that would really just open them up. If you have one of those steamers, that would be perfect to use. I wish I had one of those. Or you could just take a pot of boiling hot water or a bowl of it and then put your face over it and let the steam just soak into your skin and open up all of your pores if you want to pamper yourself a little bit more. And now they're not closed off, it's going to be much easier for us to clean them out. Step 3, I like to exfoliate. I have a product from Clinique I really like, but this one is more on the affordable side. This is the Pixi Peel and Polish, and I really like this one too because I actually feel it exfoliating my skin, which is great. And that's what I want from it. All you do is put it on top of your skin wherever you want to. Today I'm just going to be doing my T-zone. You just apply a thin layer of it, leave it on for 2 minutes. If you want any extra exfoliation from it, you just rub it very lightly, 30 seconds. That can kind of make my skin really sensitive and make it hurt a little bit, so I usually just like to leave it on, but if you can handle it, then go ahead and rub it into your skin. But I like this one because I don't have to do the rubbing process if I don't want to. It just exfoliates it for me. So taking the dead skin off of your face helps get that unnecessary layer of dry skin out of the way, but it's way easier to do the rest of the steps. So once it's on for 10 seconds, I want to say, you can start feeling it work. It really tingles, so if you can't handle that, maybe this product wouldn't be the best for you, but I can handle it. I just can't handle rubbing it in afterwards. While this is sitting on my skin, I'm going to show you this product. This is the other one I like to use. This is the Clinique 7-Day Scrub Cream. You can apply it dry or you can use it wet as well, and this is what it looks like. It's just white. It's a really gentle exfoliator, which is also great for my sensitive skin. That has been sitting for a couple minutes now. I'm just going to wipe it off. I like to gently wipe it off because the beads will hurt me sometimes if I'm being too aggressive. Step 4 is to use a face mask. Charcoal face masks are my favorite for pulling everything out of my pores because it gets deeper than just the surface layer of your skin. Peel off mask can work too. I just find that charcoal is much more efficient than a peel off or a pore strip. It just sits on there longer and pulls everything out. So again, I'm just gonna apply this to my T-zone. If you wanted to do all these steps for your whole entire face, you can do that as well. These are just more of my problem areas. This mask in particular is called the Pixi Glow Mud Mask. It is my favorite charcoal mask that I've tried. It works so good, and funny enough, it actually makes your skin feel smooth afterwards, which is surprising for me since I have dry skin. Charcoal masks usually suck the life out of them and leave them super dry afterwards, but this one doesn't do that. So this one sits on for about 15 minutes. I just wait until it's completely dry and then I wipe it off afterwards, so I'll be back when it's dry. Okay, so this has been sitting on for a while. It's dry now. This isn't one where you can really see all the pores peek through. Like, the mask doesn't lighten up as it's on your face. It is a very dark charcoal, but you can feel it working still. I'm just gonna wipe it off now using the same cloth as I have been throughout this whole video. I like wiping face masks off with the cloth anyways. It's way less messy, or I like rinsing it off in the shower. Step 5 is to extract, and this is one of my favorite parts. Again, I'm not a professional, so I don't know if anyone should just be doing this, but I do. So if your face mask or pore strip doesn't get all of your blackheads out, which it usually doesn't, there's usually a few stragglers left behind. If that's the case, I like to take this little tool that I got off of Amazon. I got it in a 3-piece set, but this little circle one is my favorite to use. Usually there's still some left in the divots of my nose here because it's kind of hard to get at. So I just take this and very gently press it against my skin, and it takes out all the excess little blackheads that I have. So this time there's not that many. The mask did a very good job, but yeah, I usually like right here. I take some extras out. I do this part very gently because you don't want to push too hard and aggravate your skin. Step number 6 is to now close off your pores. Using a toner will tighten and close back up your pores. This is the final step that I do to ensure that the dirt isn't going automatically back into my skin. I want to make sure that I close them all off after I've cleaned them. So I just take my toner onto a cotton pad. Whatever toner you have will work. This is the Pixi Rose Tonic, and I just kind of swipe it upwards all around my pores. And look how clean my skin is. Now your skin will feel extremely smooth, and when it feels like that, that means your skin's nice and clean, everything's out of there. I feel so much better about myself when my skin is all cleaned out. That's why I like to take these extra steps sometimes. I know it's a lot, but honestly it really does work. I love how it makes me feel. So that is it for the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm just gonna keep my bare face on for now and enjoy my clean skin. Please don't forget to subscribe before you leave, like this video if you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!